Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add shortcut to home screen on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, what you simply need to do to add shortcut to your home screen is go ahead and move to the app library. On the app library, just search for shortcut. Press and hold it and then drag it to the home screen. So just keep dragging it to wherever you want to drag the shortcut application. And then click outside. Then the shortcut application will be added to your iPhone home screen. However, if the shortcut application is missing on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Click on search. Now search for shortcut. Now once you search for it, you should see the shortcut application like this. Now go ahead and click on the get button to download and install the shortcut application on your iPhone. And after that, you can now go ahead and add the shortcut app to your home screen. And then you are good. So that is basically how to add shortcut to home screen on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.